One of the most expensive things that dealers are investing in, other than their people, is their business management software. Technology is constantly changing, and that means your business management software is changing with it. I'm Sara Hay with Clements International. Join me as I host a panel discussion with some of the best and the brightest in the industry as they discuss ways that the landscape of dealership technology is changing and what you can do to be part of that movement. We'll also be breaking down the questions that you should be asking in order to make informed decisions about software that will move your dealership forward. If you are looking to move your dealership into the future, you won't want to miss this discussion.